Welcome to Western. This is Western Washington University, located in the heart of beautiful Bellingham, Washington. This is a place known for its academic excellence rooted in undergraduate research, all set in one of the most scenic campuses in the Pacific Northwest. Join me on a quick walk around campus and I'll show you why Western is a place that students from across the country and around the globe love to live and learn. First things first, this is Red Square, a main thoroughfare of campus life where you'll grab a coffee, run into friends, or catch an impromptu concert or club event.
Surrounded by the library, humanities buildings, and academic advising, this is where a lot of first-year classes happen. Speaking of the library, let's head over there. This is where you can spend a lot of your time learning everything from the secrets of the universe to diving deep into your coursework. In addition to its extensive physical and digital collections, Western's libraries also offer study rooms and meeting spaces, tutoring service, and technological support. It's a place to focus and get some work done. And also get a snack at Zoe's Bagels on the first floor.
This is Carver Gym, home of Western Athletics. This is where a lot of games take place, and if you're a student, you can go to all the sporting events for free. But all around campus, you'll find spaces built for discovery: labs, studios, maker spaces, and performance halls. These places are where Western students bring their big ideas to life.
The communications facility, Kaiser Bursari Hall, and the interdisciplinary science building are where theory meets action and students turn ideas into impact.
Western's state-of-the-art Wade King Student Recreation Center has rock climbing walls, bouldering walls, a pool, a hot tub, an indoor track, weight rooms, a cardio floor, and much more.
On the south side of campus, Fairhaven College offers a unique, personalized approach to learning. Students can design their own major, combining disciplines to match their passions. With small classes, close faculty membership, and a focus on community, Fairhaven provides a dynamic space for academic exploration and personal growth. And right nearby is the newest building on campus, the House of Healing, a traditional Coast Salish style longhouse which serves as a gathering and ceremonial space to promote cultural exchange and understanding. At Western, you don't have to wait your turn. We're an undergraduate-focused institution, which means you'll be able to gain hands-on experience as soon as your first year.
And we live in Bellingham, one of the coolest small cities of the West Coast. It's an outdoor paradise, a music town, a coffee town, and sometimes even an orchid town. Welcome to the Viking Union, home to student government, the university bookstore, and some of the best views on campus. On the 7th floor, you'll find the Ethnic Student Center, which is open to all students and provides a safe environment to build community, do homework, and just hang out. Want to see a show? Check out the Performing Arts Center. They always have something great going on. You'll also notice part of Western Sculpture Collection and one of 24 pieces on display across campus.
Nearly 90% of first-year students live on campus in resident halls designed to build community. It's where I met friends I'll keep for the rest of my life. Whether you're in a traditional hall or a suite-style room with a view, campus housing keeps you close to class, dining, and all of your new friends. Western is creative, laid back, and a little offbeat in the best way. Students here care deeply about their communities and the planet, and they bring that passion into everything they do. Our students come from every corner of Washington, across the country, and around the globe. What unites them is a drive to do work they find meaningful. Academic excellence isn't just about prestige, it's about access, opportunity, and preparing for a future with purpose. And it all starts right here.
At Western Washington University, we don't just imagine a better future. We roll up our sleeves and build it. Come join us and make waves.